Welcome! Thank you for joining us, and we look so forward to helping you pick your perfect Eden shade. All Eden shades have been selected from the most popular hair tones and are multi-tonal. Therefore, even if it's not the exact color of your hair, it will still match if it's the same color family. Let's get started. The first shade in our range is Jet Black. Jet Black is the purest black tone available. It is a cooler tone with blue hues and is our darkest black color. The second shade in our range is Off Black. This is a beautiful black shade with warm undertones. Off Black has a rich black undertone with brown hues throughout it. Here's a comparison of Jet Black and Off Black. As you can see, Jet Black has cooler tones and Off Black is a lot warmer. The next color in our range is Mocha Brown. It is the darkest brown shade that we offer and is a beautiful, rich and warm shade. Mocha Brown's notable features are its beautiful red undertones, off black hues that are coupled with lush dark brown. Here we're comparing our off black with Mocha Brown. You can clearly see the red tones of Mocha Brown that differentiate these two colors. Mocha Brown reflects a predominant brown hue in comparison to off black, which registers as a true black shade. The next shade in our range is Dark Brown. Dark Brown is a warmer shade that has been coupled with gorgeous rich undertones. You can also see that it has beautiful auburn hues throughout it. Dark Brown is the perfect shade for most of our natural brunettes. Comparing Mocha Brown with Dark Brown, you can see that there are a lot of similarities. However, Mocha Brown has darker brown tones, whereas Dark Brown has lighter auburn and brown hues throughout it. Our next shade is Chocolate Brown. As you can see, Chocolate Brown is a beautiful brown shade that is coupled with a stunning and predominant red undertone. This shade is perfect for any brunette that has a lot warmer red tones throughout her hair. Here we're comparing Dark Brown and Chocolate Brown. Side by side, you can see that Chocolate Brown has more red undertones throughout it, whereas Dark Brown has more predominantly brown tones in comparison. The next shade is Chestnut Brown. Chestnut Brown is the lightest brown shade that we offer. It has beautiful ash, honey, and caramel tones. The combination of these tones allow for Chestnut Brown to match perfectly with women who have light brown hair. Our next shade is Dirty Blonde. Dirty Blonde is our darkest blonde shade and is perfect for all our natural blondes. It has a beautiful combination of ash, gold, and copper tones. Because Dirty Blonde has a variety of shades throughout it, it can act as a highlight or low light for most blondes. The next shade in our range is Bleached Blonde. Bleached Blonde is a warmer blonde with gorgeous golden, buttery tones throughout it. Bleached Blonde is suitable for most women with naturally light blonde hair or dyed blonde hair. The next shade is our lightest blonde shade, Ash Blonde. Ash Blonde has cooler undertones throughout it. It also has beautiful white and blue hues. Ash Blonde is the perfect color for women who have platinum dyed hair. Here we're comparing Bleach Blonde with Ash Blonde, and you can see there is a big difference. Ash Blonde is cooler with whiter tones, and Bleach Blonde is a lot warmer with golden tones. The next shade is Ombre Chestnut. Ombre Chestnut has Mocha Brown at its roots, which transitions into the gorgeous Chestnut Brown. All of our ombre colors have been hand dyed to ensure that there are no harsh lines, rather a beautiful progression from one shade to the next. The last shade in our range is Ombre Blonde. Ombre Blonde has dark brown roots and progresses into Dirty Blonde. Ombre Blonde is perfect for all our brunettes who want to add blonde to their hair without bleach, or brunettes that already have ombre hair. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and that it has helped you discover what Eden shade is perfect for you. If you have any questions, please email us as we would love to hear from you.